First of all, thank you for being a part of this conference. A very basic question. Your key takeaways from this conference till now?
Key takeaways are exactly what Jayesh has spoken about, what other people have spoken about. It's about how traditional and digital can integrate together, how we can bring together a new change in out of home, and how collectively as an industry we support each other in terms of knowledge, in terms of appreciating each other's work, and participate more and more in these kind of new events, occasions, and support organizations like yours to bring that change of exchanging valuable knowledge.
Such conferences are mostly an opportunity to network and connect with people. But I would like to ask you, is there any particular challenge that OH industry might be facing? And in such conferences, at these conferences, there are discussions like this. And anything that you are looking for, any solution or that you feel this is a challenge, but you're not getting a solution for that, and by joining such conferences you feel there might be people who might talk about something like this, and yes, you can come up with something new.
Great question. So, more than the solution, this kind of platform gives industry and the client to come together, speak with each other in a very unofficial, casual way, to exchange the notes, what do they think about us, and also it gives us a chance to give them an understanding of the new paradigm shift that is happening. Like we have seen in the fireside chat of Deepa, or in the case of Jayesh presentation, or for that matter even my presentation, the impression of out of home, if it is here, the real out of home is actually happening somewhere here. But that understanding with the client in a boardroom meeting where you are given an appointment viewing for 1 hour does not happen. So these kind of platforms help to break that kind of a client agency relationship, and more of a friendly banter give us a chance to allow them to understand what is the technological leaps our industry has taken.
Sorry to ask you a bit harsher question, but if I say you have to compare this conference with any other, uh, what are your observations and analysis?
See, this is the beginning of new era for you people, for the organization. So I wouldn't like to compare. In any case, compare me being a father. I understand this, that comparison is never good for a new baby. You are the new baby on the block. You are doing commendable job. Of course, there will be problems. There will be issues like Jayesh pointed out. Having said that, we all believe you people have done a commendable job for being it the first time you are arranging this.
Thank you for this. Where is Isha? Isha needs to be applauded for this. She has worked really hard. Also, before I let you go for lunch, anything that you would like to say that might add value to us for organizing this conference, or maybe taking OH industry farther? For instance, as we have just started, I take care of the editorial part. I'm the editor, so we have covered a lot of people in our magazine as well. We have missed you. If next time I say we would like to cover you or your organization, how would you like to take this forward? What opportunities do you have for us, or how can we take your uh, advertising solutions to more, uh, how do I say it, to expand it further?
You have touched upon my pain point. So now be ready for a little longer answer on this. So I find a lot of lacuna in terms of creativity when it comes to magazines or editorials, so hence and so forth, especially in the out of home industry. There are a lot of good people doing a lot of immense great work. Since I handle a team of 14 people, I do realize why these people are not given a chance. See, you people can create a piece. Since you are an editor, you can definitely create a piece, for example, on women's day is approaching. What stops you to create a piece saying the new change of out of home leadership, the new paradigm of out of home leadership from the female perspective? and actually cover all those 30 year olds in the system who are, say, at a media group head level, at media manager level, but doing a commendable job. Because any campaign, for example, the way I covered Make Santu, the Taj Mahal campaign, it's a work of a team, it's not work of only a leader. So why can't you cover them? Why every time they will should be a face of me or Jayesh or anyone else? So because they are people, and since woman day is just an example and females is just an example, same applies for all those people who are from the other gender, from my gender. You can definitely curate pieces which are little innovative in their approach, and hence thereby you are not running after taking the bites of the senior people. I do understand that our there is a place in the ecosystem for people like us, but these people needs to be motivated. For us it is one more interview, one more bite. For them it's a way to hone their skills of putting what they think into words. So that will change the out of home industry. We are working in certain classes.
Point taken. Noted seriously.
It's exactly like the celebrity culture in Bollywood. Why not Irfans of the world, KK Menons of the world can be appreciated here, and we will only appreciate them when globally they will get appreciated. Same point.
Next time I'll take a note of this. Thank you so much. And I'll also get in touch with you regarding this. Maybe you can help me, help us. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time.